How to use YouTube Supervised Accounts feature. To use the YouTube's Supervised Accounts feature, you first of all have to link your child's Google account to your own account via Google Family Link or YouTube Family Center. So first things first, you simply have to launch the YouTube application on your device. Tap on your profile icon or the U option on the bottom right corner. Tap on the setting gear icon on the top right. From here, head to the Family Center. Once you're here, you simply have to tap the Add Child option over here at the top. Once you tap on this, you simply have to now fill in the details, and once the account is created, you simply will find it over here. You can also now tap on your children's account. From here, you can set content restrictions by tapping on what they can watch option at the top. From here, you can filter out contents and also select a range over here for preschool, younger and older ages. Once you do this, you can also set the screen time limits and more. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.